Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you top tricks for your headphones JBL Tune Beam. And the first top trick is that you have a ANC mod. I really like this mod so much. So yeah, you can turn on it. The second one, you can turn on extreme bass. As you can see, I already have it, but you can just click on it and you will have also, if you prefer basses, of course. The third one, you can customize gestures, but I like how JBL doing it. You have a preset. So I choose volume control for the left one and payback for the right one, and it's really comfort. And the last one, that you can control voice aware. So just click on it, and now we can put high to improve it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.